puppies are special. Well, we'll let you pet them if you want to, but you have to ask me. And they're very, very nice.
What are their names? Can you give me their names?
This is Rexy. This is Strawberry Banana. This is Lily. This is Dixie. And this is Ice Cream.
Can you tell me what your puppies like to do, or what they eat?
My puppies like to eat bunnies and snakes and trees, tree leaves. So we get those, and they like to eat petals off flowers. So we get some petals, and they like to play. They like to play kitty, and they like to play doggy and mama.
Okay.
So we always do that.
Okay, so what are you going to do?
Every
So Hannah, what are you going to do for your show?
Well,
Are your puppies going to do a show?
Everyone will get to pet them, and then we're going to dance. I'm going to dance off each puppy.
Okay,
And they'll come back in the
do your puppies know how to dance? What kind of dances do they do? They do ballet? I would like to see.
Jump and I can dance.
Should we put on some Tchaikovsky, Hannah? So they... Oh, wow, there goes Dixie doing some flying twirls, huh? Wow, she's a twirler kind of a dog. Dixie, that doesn't...
Dixie twirler.
It's a Dixie twirler? That doesn't hurt her neck? It doesn't strangle her?
It sort of does, but she doesn't care.
She doesn't mind it?
Yeah. She likes me to do this to her.
Even though it kind of hurts her?
Yeah.
Okay.
And watch.
Is that what she's going to do for her part of the show?
She can hang on me while I'm spinning.
Okay. What are the other doggies going to do for their part of the show?
You'll get to see.
Well, I'm taping it right now. I'm making a movie of it, so we'll be able to watch the movie in a minute.
Well, guess what?
What?
I'm going to start doing all of them.
Okay.
I'm going to start from this and they'll go.
Okay, what's Cream Puff going to do?
Well, he's going to dance.
I thought he's going to dance, but what kind of a dance?
Well, watch. We'll start with Cream Puff.
Oh, that's a cool dance. He just kind of likes doing dizzy swirling dances, huh? Okay. Want to give the other dogs a chance to do their part of the show?
No, the care. Now there's this one and that one and that one and that.
Well, Dixie already had her chance. Remember you twirled her around by her leash?
Well, I was just showing you the tricks she could do. Those are the tricks she can do. Now she's going to dance too. Those are just her tricks. And she likes to do. Those